welcome to Red Lipstick. So I'm very excited because today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of stuff that I purchased on the website Shop Miss A. This is a dollar makeup and accessory website. They have a bunch of stuff, more than just makeup and accessories, but everything on their website is $1, except for like they have large palettes of things like large eyeshadow palettes or large contouring and highlighting palettes. Those aren't $1, but all of like their single individual products are just $1. And I love their liquid lipsticks, so you're going to see a lot of those in this haul here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I definitely recommend this website. I will link it down in the comment section below. Not the comment section, the info box below, so you guys can check it out if you haven't visited it before. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I got. So this is one of those products that was not $1, I don't think. I think this was around like maybe $5, but I got some falsies, and these are in the style Charlotte, and they just are Scarlet, sorry, and they just look so pretty. And I'm into more like wispy, natural looking lashes. Obviously these probably aren't going to be super natural, but I do like how they kind of taper out. They're really small and short on the inside, and then they kind of like taper and get longer on the outside, which really enhances my eye shape. It makes it look like my eyes are so much wider. So I really wanted to try these out, and I'm excited about those. Next up, this product was only $1, and it is a retinol skin cream. I wanted to give this a try because retinols are extremely expensive. So yeah, so for $1, I definitely wanted to check it out. So this is what the little pot of skin cream looks like. Looks like you get a good amount in here. So I'm excited to try this, and I will let you guys know in further videos, in favorites videos and duds and stuff like that, if this stuff works out. I did get another face product that is, this is a collagen skin cream, so again, for $1, I really wanted to try it. And this one pretty much looks the same, looks a little bit more whipped than the other one. The other one looked a little bit thicker. Next up, I got a bunch of accessories. I was looking at earrings, so I got some of these round kind of bauble type of earrings in silver. I got some of these, which come with both hoops and the bauble type of earrings in silver, and some pearl. I got these because I really liked these. They're kind of triangle with a little pearl, really, really pretty. And then I got these as well, which I thought were just gorgeous, all for $1. I just think they're so pretty for $1. Next up, I got another one of their perfect setting powders. If you guys haven't seen my first AOA video where I unbagged everything and I tried it all on my face, I will link that below because I did get one of these setting powders in just translucent. This one here though is in soft light. I like the translucent powder, but again, it gives flashback in videos and in flash photography. So I wanted to try the soft light one to see if that was more like skin tone color and wouldn't give the flashback. So I'm gonna try that out. I got one of their sugar lip scrubs. This one is in rose, I believe. Yep, rose, and I just wanted to try it out because I do have very dry lips and I do swatch a lot of lip products, so try that out. I got one of their AOA Perfect eye primers. I have not tried one of their eye primers before, so I thought I'd give that a go. I got a brown eyeliner. This is the Wonder Liquid Eyeliner. It looks more like a cocoa kind of coffee espresso kind of liner rather than like a deep brown, which I'm kind of excited about. It's kind of like a poop brown, but we'll see. I did get a pencil brown liner as well because I really like brown liners lately. I'm just better with them than black liners. I also got one of their Effect Lip Oil Moisturizing Formulas. Just a really nice lip oil to put on for $1. I also got one of their Wonder Skin Color Correcting Primers. I did try one of their primers in my last video, and it was a poreless primer, but it had gold glitter in it and was very odd, and I didn't like it, so I'm hoping that this one will be better. I got one of their Glow eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, in the color Acid. And this one, it looks like this. It's like a really pretty copper eyeshadow. Very excited to try that. I I also got the Starry Mascara. I just wanted to try another one of their mascaras out. I did try one in the last video that I actually did like after it dried out a little bit. So I was hopeful for another dollar one to see if this one would be okay. I also got their Glow Baby Illuminating Drops. These are supposed to be like, you know, the Cover FX drops. This one is in kind of like a blue, white. It's got a white base and then it reflects blue. So we'll see how this looks on the face. And then I got one of the Pro Glow Highlighting Powders. I would swatch this if I can get it open. So this is what this highlighter looks like. It's very pretty, but it's very chunky. And you really gotta blend it out, otherwise it's gonna look like thick on your face. Because look at my finger there. It's like stuck on my finger like that in kind of like a chunk. So I don't know about this. We'll try it out on the face and see how it goes. And then the last things I got are all liquid lipsticks. These are all $1 and I got a lot of them. So I got a ton of liquid lipsticks. If you guys want to see swatches of my entire AOA liquid lipstick collection, I will definitely do that for you. Just let me know by giving this a thumbs up or leaving a comment down below and I will do that. But for now, I'm just going to kind of show you guys the shades. So this first one is in the shade Faded. It looks like a beautiful kind of like brown nude. The next one is in the shade Hype, which is kind of a everyday mauve pink. Then we've got the shade Naked, which is more of like a brown nude, a little bit darker. This one is in the shade Work It, which is more of a peachy nude. Then we have got the shade Tease, which is a purple pink. And then the shade Drama, which is a deeper kind of purple red. Then we've got the shade Fleek, which again is another kind of like neutral brown nude. Then we've got the shade Nom Nom, which is kind of like a peachy brown. Then the shade Peach, which actually is the most kind of neutral nude I've seen. And the last one is the shade Bougie, which is kind of more of a mauvey brown nude. Alright, again, if you want to see swatches of those, just let me know and I will be happy to do that. But thank you guys so much for watching. That is everything that I got from the Shop Miss A website. They don't really have sales on the website because, again, everything is already $1. Sometimes some of their more expensive products are marked down. Like, I think that copper eyeshadow was actually like $3 and it was marked down to $1 or something. So some of their more expensive things do go on sale, so definitely watch for that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.